see right now, the flame right here is in an oxygen-rich environment. It's just as if we're burning any room. There's plenty of oxygen to sustain the flame. That's why the color of the flame is very bright and yellow. It's meaning it's going to have pretty complete combustion. On the top of the ceiling, we're going to see soot and smoke start developing, and it's going to come into smoke layer and start descending. That's the reason why they tell you to stay low in fires, because the smoke stays high and there's much more oxygen down at the floor. You can expect to find temperature gradients of about 500 to 700 degrees between the floor and the ceiling, so it's very substantial. When this transitions to flashover, it's estimated that temperature is around 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's kind of flexible, so it can be anywhere in that range. And if this were to occur in an actual room, the temperature in the room is going to be much greater than 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit once flashover occurs. Flashover is defined as the point at which all combustibles in the room ignite. So that includes the paint on the walls, the carpet on the floors, all the furniture, all the lamps, anything inside the room is going to be on fire once flashover occurs. And what's happening is the flames are getting darker. It's more of an orange color now. That indicates that the oxygen in the room is being depleted. It's going to oxygen deficient or a fuel-rich fire. So oxygen is going to continue to get sucked into this doorway we have over here. And smoke's being pushed at the top of that door. Fuel from the fuel source. The fire is going to burn away from the fuel source. And it's important to note that the vapors are burning, not the liquid fuel. So that's why this occurs. Typically, liquid fuels do not burn. So as you can see now, it's starting to attach itself. It's burning around the outside rim of that canister. That's because it's moving towards the oxygen-rich environment, which is down at the floor level. Notice how dark the smoke is getting inside the room. And you can start to see the flames ghosting in the corner over there. They're just kind of floating in space. And it's going to look like the floor is on fire, but it's not the floor that's burning. It's actually the fuel moving towards the floor and mixing with the oxygen. So you can see it completely removed from the fuel source. What's going to happen right there when that happens, that's not the fire venting itself out. You can see there's no fire on the inside of the doorway. What's happening is the fuel is going out the doorway, mixing with oxygen in this atmosphere, and then burning outside the box.
That's not cool. Wow.
So those are the fuel vapors burning outside?
Right. You can't see the inside from here, but there's no flames against the door on the inside.
Oh.
And what's happening is the fire moves back to the fuel source because the rate of the fire burning, I should say that, the rate of oxygen coming into the room